To clean and replace the air filter on your Sportsman 850 SP Touring or Sportsman 1000 Touring, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Lock the parking brake. Lift up on the rear seat latch and pull backwards to disengage the rear seat from its locks. Then remove the rear seat. Lift up on the rear of the driver's seat to disengage from the grommets and pull back to remove. Clean the area around the airbox. Remove the rubber end of the clutch duct. Remove the rubber strap and remove the airbox cover. With the cover removed, inspect the seal. Replace if it is worn or damaged in any way. Remove the filter by pulling rearward. Remove the fabric type pre-filter from the main air filter. Inspect the pre-filter. Wash the pre-filter with hot soapy water and air dry. Inspect the main filter and replace if necessary. Notice, in dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Do not attempt to clean the air filter with compressed air. If the filter has become soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Clean the airbox thoroughly. Wipe well with a clean, dry cloth. Caution: dirt or debris in the intake could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake before installing the filter. Install the pre-filter onto the main filter. Be sure the screen covers the entire surface of the main filter without folds, creases, or gaps. Install the air filter into the airbox, making sure that it is fully seated. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent air leaks. Notice, use of non-Polaris approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use a Polaris approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. Reinstall the airbox cover and the strap retaining the cover. Reinstall the rubber end of the clutch duct. Install the seat by lining up the locators in front and pushing down on the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.